Hello, welcome to my channel. Before proceeding to study, please subscribe to my channel. Today, we will explore the fascinating world of blockchain technologies. We'll dive into key concepts like trade finance network, supply chain financing, and identity on blockchain. Let's get started. Slide 1. Trade finance network. Trade is a blockchain-powered trade finance network that fundamentally changes how trade transactions are handled. Let's break this down. 1. Smart contracts automate trade agreements. Instead of relying on manual verification, the blockchain ensures all terms of the agreement are enforced automatically. For instance, when a buyer receives goods, the smart contract releases payment to the seller. 2. Transparency means every party, buyers, sellers, and financiers, can see the same data, reducing misunderstandings or hidden information. 3. Risk reduction is achieved because all transactions are tamper-proof and tracked. Fraud, like duplicate invoices, is nearly impossible. 4. Ease of financing is especially beneficial for SMEs, which often struggle to get loans. Blockchain helps banks trust them with accurate trade records. 5. Cross-border trade removes geographic and regulatory barriers. This is particularly impactful for small businesses expanding globally. 6. Efficient processes like automated settlements mean no waiting for paperwork to be processed. 7. Integration with banks creates a seamless experience for financing and trade processes. For example, WeTrade has been used in Europe to enable SMEs to access trade financing within hours instead of weeks. This system is significant because it builds trust and removes inefficiencies in trade finance. Slide 2. Advantages of WeTrade. The advantages of WeTrade are transformative. 1. Enhanced trust. With blockchain, everyone sees the same data. This shared visibility builds confidence among participants. 2. Cost-effective. Traditional trade finance involves intermediaries and paperwork. Blockchain eliminates these, saving time and money. 3. Faster transactions. Smart contracts speed up processes by removing manual approvals and delays. 4. Global reach. Blockchain simplifies international trade by offering a standardized, digital way to handle transactions. 5. Data security. Transactions are encrypted and stored immutably, so unauthorized changes are impossible. 6. Support for SMEs. Many small businesses lack access to traditional financing. WeTrade opens opportunities for them. 7. Reduced disputes. Clear, shared records ensure everyone agrees on the details, avoiding costly legal battles. Slide 3. Supply chain financing. Supply chain financing involves optimizing cash flow for businesses, especially suppliers, using blockchain. Here's how it works. 1. Real-time monitoring. The blockchain tracks goods, invoices, and payments, providing accurate and up-to-date information to all parties. 2. Improved cash flow. Suppliers get paid promptly, even if the buyer takes longer to settle their payment with financiers stepping in temporarily. 3. Smart invoicing. When goods are delivered, the blockchain verifies the invoice and triggers payments automatically, eliminating manual errors. 4. Fraud prevention. Blockchain ensures there are no duplicate invoices or altered payment terms, which can happen in traditional systems. 5. Cost reduction. By cutting out intermediaries and automating processes, supply chain costs drop. 6. Global trade support. This solution isn't limited by geography, it works across borders seamlessly. 7. Collaboration. Blockchain connects buyers, suppliers, and financiers on a single platform for a streamlined process. An example is IBM's blockchain supply chain solution, where invoices are verified and paid instantly, benefiting both buyers and suppliers. This significance lies in stabilizing supply chains, particularly in international trade, by ensuring liquidity. Slide 4. Advantages of blockchain in supply chain financing. In this slide, we'll explore why blockchain is transformative in supply chain financing. 1. Transparency. All stakeholders access the same verified data, eliminating mistrust and disputes. For example, every participant can track the movement of goods and payments in real time. 2. Reduced costs. By removing intermediaries like banks or clearing houses, businesses save significantly on processing fees and administrative expenses. 3. Fraud detection. Blockchain's immutable records prevent duplication or manipulation of invoices, ensuring only genuine transactions occur. 4. Efficient processing. Automation through smart contracts accelerates approvals and payments, reducing processing time from days to minutes. 5. Global scalability. Works seamlessly across international borders without the need for localized financial systems, enabling global commerce. 6. Enhanced security. Encryption ensures that only authorized parties access sensitive data, reducing the risk of breaches. 7. Sustainability. Blockchain allows tracking of product origins, helping companies ensure their materials are ethically and sustainably sourced. The real significance here lies in creating a system that is secure, cost-effective, and globally adaptable. Slide 5. Identity on blockchain. Now, let's talk about how blockchain revolutionizes identity management. 1. Decentralization. No single authority controls identity data, reducing the risk of misuse or targeted attacks. For example, individuals control their own digital IDs instead of relying on a central database. 2. Tamper-proof. Blockchain ensures records are immutable. Once stored, they can't be changed or deleted, maintaining data integrity. 3. User control. Individuals can selectively share only the necessary data with third parties, such as sharing proof of age without disclosing full personal details. 4. Global interoperability. A single blockchain-based identity works across multiple platforms and countries, reducing redundancy. 5. Instant verification. Verifying credentials like academic records or identity documents happens instantly, saving time in processes like hiring or loan applications. 6. Reduced identity theft. Data encryption and security features make stealing or misusing identities extremely difficult. 7. Smart access. Blockchain replaces traditional password systems with more secure authentication methods like cryptographic keys. The significance of this lies in creating secure, user-controlled identities that simplify verification while reducing risks. Slide 6. Advantages of blockchain-based identity. Let's explore the advantages of blockchain-based identity systems. 1. Enhanced privacy. Users decide what data they share, protecting sensitive information. For example, sharing only your date of birth instead of your full ID. 2. Data security. Identity data is encrypted and stored securely, minimizing risks of hacking or unauthorized access. 3. Fraud prevention. Immutable records ensure identities cannot be faked, significantly reducing identity fraud. 4. Cost-effective. Processes like KYC are automated, reducing costs for organizations and individuals. 5. Universal access. A single digital identity can be used across multiple services, such as opening a bank account or registering on an e-commerce platform. 6. Improved trust. Transparency in the system builds confidence for users and service providers alike. 7. Flexibility. These systems support various applications, from personal identification to professional certifications. Blockchain-based identities streamline verification processes while ensuring data privacy and security, making them critical for modern digital interactions. Slide 7. Blockchain-enabled trade. Blockchain is revolutionizing global trade, and here's how. 1. Digital contracts. Smart contracts automate trade agreements, ensuring compliance with terms before releasing payments. For instance, once goods are delivered, the system automatically processes the payment. 2. Secure payments. Payments are encrypted and processed directly between parties, reducing risks associated with intermediaries. 3. Transparent tracking. All stakeholders can track goods and payments in real time, ensuring accountability and reducing disputes. 4. Customs simplification. Blockchain automates customs declarations and document checks, speeding up border processes. 5. Fraud reduction. Immutable records eliminate risks like counterfeit goods or fake invoices. For example, every transaction is permanently recorded for future verification. 6. Data sharing. Reliable, shared data allows smooth collaboration between traders, regulators, and logistics providers. 7. Global collaboration. Blockchain connects global participants in trade networks, reducing inefficiencies and barriers. A real-world example is the TradeLens platform, which digitizes the shipping industry, saving time and reducing operational costs. The significance lies in creating a unified, transparent, and efficient trade ecosystem. Slide 8. Advantages of blockchain-enabled trade. Here are the key advantages of blockchain-enabled trade. 1. Efficiency. Processes like documentation and verification are automated, significantly reducing delays. For instance, blockchain removes the need for physical paperwork in cross-border trade. 2. Cost reduction. By eliminating intermediaries and reducing paperwork, businesses save on transaction and administrative costs. 3. Security. Cryptographic features ensure that transactions and data are secure from hacking and unauthorized access. 4. Transparency. All participants have access to the same information, ensuring clarity and accountability in every trade. 5. Global integration. Blockchain enables seamless interactions between international stakeholders, simplifying cross-border trade. 6. Dispute resolution. Accurate, immutable records ensure that disputes can be resolved quickly and fairly, based on shared data. 7. Scalability. Blockchain systems handle large volumes of transactions, making them ideal for global trade networks. The main takeaway here is that blockchain transforms global trade by making it faster, safer, and more cost-effective for all parties involved.